Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to transfer money internationally? If so, you know that it can be a bit of a hassle. One of the things you'll need to provide is the SWIFT code for the bank you're sending the money to. But what is the SWIFT code, and how do you find the one for Vivid Money? Today, we're going to be talking about SWIFT codes. SWIFT codes are a unique 6-digit code that is used to identify banks around the world. They are used for international wire transfers, so if you're sending or receiving money from another country, you'll need to provide the SWIFT code for the bank you're using. What is the SWIFT code? As I mentioned, SWIFT codes are a unique 6-digit code that is used to identify banks around the world. They are used for international wire transfers, so if you're sending or receiving money from another country, you'll need to provide the SWIFT code for the bank you're using. SWIFT codes are made up of 8 characters. The first 4 characters are the bank's country code. The next 2 characters are the bank's location code. The last 2 characters are the bank's branch code. How do you find the SWIFT code for Vivid Money? There are a few different ways to find the SWIFT code for Vivid Money. You can check the Vivid Money website. The SWIFT code is listed on the About Us page. You can contact Vivid Money customer support. They can provide you with the SWIFT code. You can use an online SWIFT code lookup tool. There are a number of these tools available online. Other things you need to know about international money transfers. In addition to the SWIFT code, you'll also need to provide the recipient's bank account number, name, and address. You'll also need to pay a fee for the international money transfer. The fee will vary depending on the bank you're using and the amount of money you're sending. It can take a few days for an international money transfer to be completed. Additional tips. You can also find the SWIFT code for Vivid Money on their social media channels. If you're not sure of the recipient's bank account number, you can ask them to provide it to you. It's always a good idea to double-check all of the information you've provided before sending an international money transfer. SWIFT codes are an important part of international money transfers. If you're planning on sending or receiving money from another country, make sure you have the correct SWIFT code for the bank you're using. Thanks for watching.